Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card flip transition on Filmora X. So let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. Go sample colors and add black color into timeline. Then add video into upper track. Delete extra part of video. Okay, now drag video into upper track. Then add second video into second empty track. Delete extra part of video. As you can see, now we have two different video. Okay, let's add animation. Zoom the timeline. Go first video last frame and go back 10 frame. Then double click on video and go animation, then go customize. Add your first keyframe here. Then go 5 frame later and change position Y to -154. As you can see, our video has moved to half screen from top side. Then again go 5 frame later or last frame and reset position Y value. Then drag second video into first keyframe. Select second video and add a keyframe like previous. Then go 5 frame later and this time change position Y to 154. Now you can see our video has moved to half screen from bottom side. Then finally go last frame and reset position value like previous. Let's take a little preview. Okay, now the important part. Place timeline bar into middle keyframe and split first and second video. Then go last keyframe and split second video only. Now you can see we have two splitted part. Drag first splitted part to right side and drag second splitted part to first splitted part position. And drag first splitted part to second splitted part position. And you're done. Render frame and check preview. As you can see, it's so cool transition. Okay, let's make the reverse mode of this transition. Okay, I'm adding two videos like previous. Everything here has to be done as before. Just the position Y value of the first video in second keyframe will be 154. And the position Y value of the second video will be -154. And everything else will be the same as before. Let's check preview. Let's add sound effect. Sound effect link given on the description below. Adjust sound effect with transition. As you can see, our effect is done. So let's export this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. And also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.